Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Truth and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Serie A and the rest of the world. But now we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. Arsenal don't beat Sunderland 5-1 for Carabao Cup quarter-final. For the first half, Nketiah opened scoring for 17 minutes to make him 1-0. Then for 27 minutes, Pepe make him 2-0. Sunderland pull one back for 31 minutes to make the game come dey tough because after that game goal with them pull back, they can't control things. Arsenal can't fear whether Sunderland will equalize. And when I saw the first half take end that 2-1. Then for second half, for 49 minutes, Nketiah can continue from where he stopped to make him 3-1. Then for 58 minutes, Nketiah completes him hat-trick to make the scores 4-1. Arsenal fans call it very happy. However, for 80 minutes, Arteta introduced Charlie Patino, come comot Emile Smith-Rowe, and for 91 minutes, the Smolly can score his first senior team goal for Arsenal. When I saw the match take end though, that's why we take shut up Lee Johnson mouth. They say Lee Johnson a Sunderland coach. They say the coach don't talk plenty. Come try to do damage control. We call the talk say Moko vex. So waiting talk before say na joke. So when the talk say if you catch Arsenal na giant killers na Sunderland view say na joke you get. But last don't let her know say we don't be mates. Maybe they just collect 5-1. They even get lucky and score one self. So it's supposed to be 5-0. But it is what it is, sha. After the match, they call the interview Eddie Nketiah. I call the ask and say, Baba, what is the sup now with your transfer situation with Arsenal? And at the same time, how you feel? Say you scored 3 goals for Arsenal. So Baba call the talk say almost saying they very happy and very appreciative of his teammates. We give him the assist when Conte score. Say now he don't score 3 goals. But what is the boss the brain? They say in they very desperate to play football. You get say one play, but you know one day for Benjamin and the main cocoa be that. Say one play. I'm not gonna forget saying Nketiah get like 6 or 7 months remaining for a contract because in with Arsenal they did for stallmates, they did for stalemates, they never sign contracts, they don't give a contract extension, in go reject and they don't give them like 3 times now, they don't reject them. Why? Be say Baba no want to sit down for Benjamin, so he wants guarantee, he wants 100% assurance to say if I sign this contract and I will give me playing time, and I will give me playing time, but I no go give me, not tell me. So that the question waiting on the table be that. At the same time, after the match, I can't interview Arteta, I can't ask Arteta for media set to say, Baba, what did they solve with Charlie Patino? Would he say the whole fans, everybody they happy with him? You they happy with him? What's it solve with the guy? So Baba can talk say, in see what they happen and the hype surrounding the guy. You get say everybody they praise the guy, say he's the best player of the world, this and that. Say I beg, man, I just cool down. You know, see now overhyping Nike 2021. When I just calm down, leave the boy now small, one cook him slowly, and small will take integrate them into the full team. You get. I know say that number when I 87 in here yesterday. Now that number 9 Saka still wear when they introduce Saka to Arsenal. What is Saka wear for his own debut? So they very patient and calm with the boy. So very soon they will see more of the boy because many people they ahead of him for the pecking order. So make everybody they very calm. At the same time, they call the ask Mikel Arteta about Arsenal performance on the night. So Baba Conte say we played very well. So for that first half, after we scored 2 goals, we can't lose guard, get we can't know what we do again, we can't let Sunderland come into the game. They can't score 1. After they score 1, it was a bit difficult for us. But after the first half come end, they can't reason the boys 1 or 2 as they come outside. They can't come outside, all guns blazing. But let Sunderland know why they call us the gunners. We carry bazooka come. Not about the first half, just carry one kind of small pistol. They shoot them piang. But for second half, a bazooka and see. They don't know what they go do. They don't chop 3-1, 4-1, 5-1. Say for pass like that, say, but they just get locked now. Say we try. At the same time, they call they ask Mikel Arteta about Eddie Nketiah. So what did they solve with this guy now? This guy won't play for now. But at the end of the day, they don't score hat-trick now. So what did they solve with in contract situation? So Arteta can the response say this Eddie Nketiah matter. Say everybody know what's in the guy they find. Nobody say the guy no love Arsenal reach to stay here, and nobody say Arsenal self no love us. Say me I did tell una every day say I won't make this guy no go. I love the guy like mad. I told you people say now what thing they do for training every day, week in week out. That is why I pick him ahead of Aubameyang that last time. That's why I still pick him ahead of Pepe because this thing when I see this night now. In the do for training steady, get on a regular. So that's why we select him. So I don't want to make him go. But the main problem is he wants starting place. He wants to be playing regularly, and I don't feel guarantee that one. That be the problem. I'm not gonna lie sef, truly see January now with the reason say one side striker be for summer she put the reason say one side striker. Just imagine say we sign maybe somebody like Isaac, or maybe we sign somebody like Dominic Calvert-Lewin, or maybe we sign Vlahovic, or maybe we sign Oli Watkins. Where this guy go come play? We get Lacazette, we get Aubameyang, we be shit back and they no too better like that. He never see they play. Imagine so come sign all those world heavyweights then. Where ain't go come play? So that be the problem. So we don't figure out it's not possible making it for that starting level. I'm sorry to say this, so maybe some of the vex, but it's not possible. So if we don't sign strikers, no, we'll sign like 2 strikers. So where ain't go come play? Now if to say we'll get plenty competition, we will play like hey, no, I know they represent us for Europa League, they enjoy themselves, at least Europa League and Cup. Unlike now we say we just they play Cup and League, you get. So play has plenty and the competition they few. So that's why things when they tough this season. To say now normal we don't do for Europe. Hey, the guy will get some kind of playing time. So that's the thing. So now either we go calm down, stay for here, they play the one who give am, or you go find square roots. That's just my own take. What be my own take about this guy matter? At the same time, like when they ask Mikel Arteta about Pepe's situation, when they ask and say, Baba Shebi, you see what Pepe do this night now? When you just dribble that guy anyhow, for this will give assist, play very well, say I say in performance. So Baba can say Pepe is a good player, no doubt. Nobody they argue. But the problem is say it is difficult for him to get into the team. You get if you dey for Benjamin, you get anytime I call you, say okay, come play cup or you come play this one. When you come play, you guys show me what you they capable of doing. And then like as people that don't respond, don't they show and say, Baba, see what I fit do. As I fit dribble people to roast. So I dribble that guy to roast like 3 times, give assist to all those kinds of things. I mean give Patino assist to and they do well. So at least better they give a headache so that if you want to select player, I think they get headache. See what team is Smith Rowe they do now. Coach, don't know what I'm making the come out of the guy they put Smith Rowe for EPL matches. How we go put that kind of headache you want? See when Tavares and Tierney they do their own headache, they say Coach come confused, so they can't drop Tierney for Benjamin. And that kind of headache you want, that kind of selection headache. Now you want to see a bit. So if people know what's good for a people step up in game. Now you don't play for cup against Sunderland within Division 2. You don't play very well. If they can't carry you come for EPL games, if you deliver this kind of performances, that's the $1 million question. You know, say this Charlie Patino who they talk about him now just 6 years ago for 2015. I asked now go for Luton Town, one club in there Luton, and they will go there go buy the guy for £10,000, just collect the guy. I think he was 12 years old then. Come our academy, come groom and brush him up. See where the guy featured on the day now. You don't play in debut. Everybody the chance in name for Emirates Stadium. Oh Patino. It is singing praises. Me yesterday I was like a proud dad. Like I they see my Pidgin, they represent us because I don't they hype these guys since I don't they clamor for them. So when them go play and when them go play, many people say they talk about that. And finally, the guy come grace the event. God come bless him. He come score for a debut. What a miraculous night. That yesterday is my belly like mad. Away from the match, so Repalo come outside. Repalo now one of our legends. So back come outside, they talk say Arsenal get a relative chance of entering the top 4. So what the guys do be say the guys they play very well, continue with the way they play. And what they come notice we say there's a bond now. There's a bond between the fans and the players. The fans they behind the players. So you don't think when you see this kind of thing, and you don't know whether not because the majority of the players are young crop of players and majority of them come from the academy. Maybe now what you can bring the bond between the fans and them. Say if you come for Emirates, that is why Emirates is now a fortress, because the fans they are ready to chant from the beginning of the match to the end of the match, because the fans are the 12th man. Everybody knows that. If fans know they there, you say you go feel them. If fans did there, they will raise your levels, they will raise your morale, put you on the pedestal where everybody will see you. Baba just the top plenty. Say forget all those outstanding matches where Man U gets, where Tottenham Hotspur gets. So it is not possible for them to win all these matches, though it is still possible. With the pray say may they not win all their matches. So at the end of the day, that top 4 we are there now. How many weeks we don't be there now? And we hope to stay there because our next 2 fixtures, these winnable games now, we are playing against Norwich away from home on the 26th. Now winnable game, we will win them. After that one, we are going to play Wolves. We will win them. So imagine those 2 games, just collect maximum points. 3 points, that's 6 points. We will still there our top 4. Then other people where they play, hopefully they will drop points, and so our players will cement their place for the top 4. Kudos, guys. Our Carabao Cup semi-final draw, they go do it today after our other people play their games. All those kind of Tottenham Hotspur and Liverpool there. Once they don't play their own game finish, today they go do the draw. So we go know who we go face, we go know who our opponents be. Whether a big team, whether a small team, that today we go find out. At the same time, Ben White said don't come outside from media set. They can't talk about Gabriel Martinelli. They can't talk. Say you see everybody done they shout Martinelli name. They scored 3 goals in 2 matches, this and that. So for him, it no come as a surprise because this thing now what they see on the regular for training. You get the way the guy they dribble them, the way the guy they run things, they play very well. Say he know say this guy is a very big star. He's going to shine his light, and he don't shine him now. After they don't keep him for inside one kind of dark room, since he don't come outside, guns blazing, he shine. So no be the surprising thing for him. Say now you with the outside, whenever see the guy they train, and you go to surprise. Our Florentina don't come outside talk say them they interested in activating Lucas Torreira clause, that £15 million clause. You know, see, they're not happy with the way the guy they play because they got him with a loan deal and with an obligation to buy him. So now they don't get ready to say, okay, we won't like to sign this guy. So now for January, hopefully they go activate the clause, give us £15 million. He could say more use the money, reinvest them for the team because Torreira has surplus to requirements for us. But for them, it can be one of their starting names to their first 11. That's good business for both clubs. On my mandatory spinning show that they call Sports for Spain, now come outside and let us know say Arsenal they interested in bringing Felipe Coutinho from Barcelona to Arsenal for January. I never know how verifiable this news be, but most of saying are true because for January, you know say as Coutinho did Xavi they look for how he will take pursue him because he's the highest earner in Barcelona because they don't pursue most big names where they earn highest you get. So that's why they really say they want to make him fine in square root because Xavi they reviewed and they get some kind of financial woes, so they know to get money. So all those kind of people they earn highest, the guys flush, they made their wage bill come down so that they can reinvest for their team because they want to buy Ferran Torres from Man City and they need money. Anyway they will get the money. So hopefully, if it is possible, we'll buy that. But one thing will make me they look as objection or a stumbling block for this will be say Felipe Coutinho an injury-prone player. Are we willing to buy this kind of player to bring up for a league where we say everybody knows say the league now run end-to-end stuff. So you know be the league I will say now with the rest they do tiki taka. For Oga now run up and down. You get pace to burn. So now what you go talk, and if you get pace to burn any small ball like this, you don't fly, you break your leg. So now so you build. Almost Stephen Warnock will be Sky Sports pundits. Now come outside they talk about Aubameyang. So back on to say this Aubameyang now way Arsenal they ostracize now whether they criticize anyhow. Say this guy he loves Arsenal so much and I don't think he's willing to leave Arsenal with the way things be. Saying love Arsenal to the extent to be say he believes say after him go for AFCON he go come back. Settle down for Arsenal again because a lot of people they talk say make them sell this guy, and even though we know say Juventus they interested in him, Barcelona said they interested in him, but for him you don't really think say Aubameyang would like to leave Arsenal. But anything can still happen. It's football, so anything can happen. So my dear football lovers, if you don't watch yesterday's show, just check by the left corner of your screen. You'll see it up there. Click it and watch it and get updated. So it is what it is. So I gotta go now. Sachuk signing out. Now get him out. Sorry.